also.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to open?
Yes.
How to open?
Huh?
Hmm? Okay. How to open?
Okay.
Open from here. You know what inside?
Toy.
What toy?
Dinosaur toy.
No.
No. Picnic fork.
People? No.
Princess.
Princess?
Yes. Barbie doll. Prince.
Prince. Yes, he's a prince. His name is Kent. Kent.
Yes.
Okay, let's open it.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Daddy.
Look like daddy?
Yes.
Wow. How to open it?
Oh, oh.
So baby, now you can play this prince with the Barbie doll together. Like this. This is your Barbie doll. Your Barbie doll.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, you can play with them together. Who is this?
Daddy.
Who is this?
Mommy.
Then who is Ia? Ia here? Okay, this is Ia. Ia sit here now. Okay, let's see this baby. Let's look at this prince. Can he bend his arm? Can he bend his leg? Oh, he can move his leg like this. He can walk. You see? He can walk. Baby, you see the prince can walk. Hello. And then he can move his arm. Move his arm. How about the hand? The hand cannot, no? And then it can shake his head like this. Hello. So they are all together 5 move. Okay, 5 move. Yes. Okay. You see it can stand. Maybe you see it can stand.
Wow.
Oh.
What is that?
Nothing more. It's just like this. So this Prince Ken is quite cheap. We bought it from Shopee. The link is below the video. If you want to buy it, you can try clicking the link below the video and buy it from Shopee. So for another Barbie doll, you can go to our information card at the top right corner. You click the I button and then look for the Barbie doll, and then also we have attached the link in the video description under the video, so you can watch the video where we unboxing the Barbie dolls and buy this Barbie doll with the link we provided under the video. Okay, so that's all for today. Baby, say bye bye to the camera. Bye.